Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and running initial diagnostics. Open Task Manager and close high CPU or network apps. This frees bandwidth immediately. Next, run ping and tracert to the Rainbow 6 server to identify latency spikes and routing issues. While those tests run, open Device Manager and update or roll back your network driver if needed, because drivers often cause jitter. Once done, note packet loss percentage and times of spikes so you can target the next adjustments. You now act on the data. Assign a static IP and enable Router Co-S to prioritize Rainbow 6 traffic, which reduces jitter by ensuring consistent bandwidth. If you're wireless, switch to a wired Ethernet connection and test another port and cable to rule out hardware faults. Tweak your router MTU to the recommended value for your ISP and disable SIP-ALG because it can break game packets. Enable UPnP only if secure. Make small changes, then rerun ping and tracert to confirm improvement. You finish by rebooting your PC and router, then test Rainbow 6 for jitter and packet loss in a live match. This clears transient issues. If routing from your ISP is the cause, try a reputable gaming VPN briefly to compare paths and decide whether to contact support. If problems persist, collect diagnostic logs, ping, tracert, netint IP reset output, and a packet capture, and provide them to your ISP or Ubisoft. One key tip: run diagnostics during problem times to capture real behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.